Hi, I'm Chef Robert, and today I'd like to show you how to make an amazing angel food cake. Before we begin, remember, always wash our hands before cooking. And here's our ingredient list. We have room temperature egg whites, cream of tartar, sugar, vanilla, and we have a blend of powdered sugar, cake flour, and salt. Here's the equipment you'll need. A mixer with a whisk attachment, a flour sifter, an angel food cake pan, a tablespoon, a spoon or a ladle, a frosting knife, and a rubber spatula. Angel food cake is considered a foam cake because the batter is leavened with egg white foam. To begin, let's beat the egg whites and cream of tartar in an electric mixer bowl with the whisk attachment on high speed until foamy, about double in volume. We'll start by putting these two together. I like to always start slowly with this and gradually increase our speed. While continuing to beat the egg white, we will gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. You can see our volume has increased. And we'll finish off with the rest. We'll go ahead and crank that up a little bit. Continue beating. We're looking for a very glossy look. This is where you would add your flavoring. We're going to use vanilla. Now we'll get ready to add our flour and powdered sugar mixture. You want to make sure your vanilla has been incorporated thoroughly. Slow it down. Take a look at it. Let's just turn it off and see if our egg whites are ready. Looks good to me. Set that right there. We'll now remove our bowl. Now we're going to incorporate the flour, powdered sugar mixture. What you want to do is sift completely over. Okay. Now, we will do the folding process. Remember, start around the edge and go down, up, and over. Remember, gentle folding is the key to maintaining volume in your angel food cake. The egg whites are so full of air that it actually has some pockets where flour may not be mixed thoroughly. That's where you want to be careful. Next, pour the batter into an ungreased 10 by 4 inch tube pan. Another very important step. We'll take this knife. What we're going to do is just lightly cut through it. We want to release any air pockets. That way you won't have big air bubble holes in it once it's baked. Okay, we're ready to go to the oven. We're going to bake this in a preheated 375 degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the top of the cake springs back when lightly tapped with your finger. Here's a little tip. When it's done baking and you're ready to remove the cake from the oven, the delicate angel food cake structure is a bit unstable when it is still hot. It's likely to fall if cooled upright. So what I like to do is invert the cake in the pan to keep it elevated. One way to do that is to rest the center tube on the neck of a bottle to keep the pan above the counter. I like to give it about 1.5 hours to cool completely. Let's try one that's already been baked. I have a piece right here. We have some strawberries and a little strawberry glaze. Let's see what we have here. Oh my, how delicious is this? Your guests will really, really appreciate this. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking, everyone.